Imagine living in a world where there is a pill that can allow you to live more freely, help with pain, clear acne, and help with serious health issues. Now imagine access to this said pill is limited and uncomfortable because it is seen as blasphemy and shameful. That is the world we are living in. The birth control pill that many see as just a contraceptive is so much more. Aside from the pill allowing protection from unwanted pregnancy, the benefits from this pill are extensive. However, there are those who still don't believe in the usage of this pill, which is why the pill has become more increasingly difficult to obtain. The right to choose to be healthy and to choose your own life should not be a controversial subject, but it is. Today I will be discussing why the birth control pill should be more easily accessible for everyone who needs it. Many people don't realize the significance of this subject and how it could greatly affect their lives because, frankly, many people feel uncomfortable talking about sex in public. In an article by Planned Parenthood published January 30th, 2014, it says that only half of teens feel comfortable talking about sex with their parents. I also know that while many of you have your own opinions on this topic already, the discussion on the availability of birth control is important because it can make the difference on agreeing with what others say and knowing how the pill represents your rights and the rights of others. The pill should be more easily accessible for everyone who needs it because being healthy and being able to choose your own life and making decisions about your own body should not be the decisions for others to make. Today I'm going to tell you how this pill helps with menstruation/hormone balance, how it helps patients with serious health issues, and how we can fix problems and perceptions to continue to allow individuals to live their lives the way they choose. In most countries in the world, women are able to access birth control without a prescription. However, today, a lot of women in the United States are unable to get birth control over the counter, says HuffPost, July 28, 2016. Why is that? For many, they simply can't afford it, whether it being they have no insurance or they can't cover the cost of having to continuously pay for it. For others, their issue is not being allowed to use the pill. What makes it a problem? For a long time, women were not able to own land, vote, and had to be financially dependent on men because they were seen as less rational than men and more emotional. Because of this, women had little to no rights about their bodily autonomy. Many women have to endure extreme amounts of pain because of this misogynistic and outdated beliefs. When about 65% of Americans use a contraceptive, says CDC December 2018, shouldn't there be more of an availability of it? With more easier accessibility, the pill can reach more people who need it and help with things such as painful ovulation and balancing of hormonal fluctuations, stated on Healthline July 26, 2018. The article also goes on further to state that these imbalanced hormonal fluctuations can cause major acne. However, birth control can help minimize this acne. Additionally, the birth control pill has proven to be beneficial when it comes to helping patients with serious health conditions like endometriosis and prevention of ovarian cyst, stated by WebMD on December 26, 2018. Moreover, the article states that pill can help lower your risk of certain cancers. However, even with all of these benefits, there are still those who feel that the birth control pill is not only wrong but be considered murder. In fact, there are a few elected officials who compare the use of the birth control pill to abortion and believe that there is no difference between the two. Some are even going as far as trying to reverse the right to the pill. The pill has been targeted for years and has even gone as far to elect a Supreme Court justice who opposes the use of the pill strongly and believes in reversing its right to it. Furthermore, the birth control is seen as taboo in many religions as it can be difficult for some to come by when living in a very religious household. According to Psychology Today, on June 19, 2017, the belief that the contraceptive leads to abortion, acceptance, and promiscuity is why many religious households don't believe in the use of the birth control. And while everyone has the right to their own beliefs, the idea of the birth control should be compared to abortion is simply an oversimplified assumption, because as stated earlier, birth control helps with so much more. Because of these reasons, the use of birth control has been controversial. However, the health of a person should not be a political statement, nor the choice of another. In order to overcome the stigma and allow for more availability of birth control, we need to first start the conversation. According to 17.com, published on August 21, 2019, evidence has found that sex education programs can prevent teen pregnancies. Additionally, talking to a doctor or just someone you trust can help us feel more comfortable about the subject matter and allow us to educate ourselves more about birth control. If anyone is experiencing pain or believes that birth control is for them, they should be able to talk to a doctor without feeling ashamed and having to jump through obstacles to get it. Secondly, we can fight to make the birth control more affordable and accessible without a prescription. Many are turned away or intimidated by the cost of birth control and the doctor visits that are needed for it. We can accomplish this by creating a petition that states why it should be more affordable and accessible. This can help spread awareness for the matter and hopefully accomplish its task to help those who need it. Birth control pill isn't a political statement or murder. It is simply a resource of medication and preventative for those who need it. Birth control is able to help with a number of benefits, and fighting for more accessibility to birth control demonstrates that we believe in bodily autonomy for everyone, which is our right. Despite what you may believe or in what religion you practice, we all agree that everyone deserves the right to be healthy and to make decisions about our own lives. Thank you.